This might be the phone that finally forces Samsung and Apple to panic. The Honor Magic 8 Pro is shaping up to be one of the biggest flagship upgrades we've seen in years, and if the leaks are even close to accurate, this could be a serious iPhone and Galaxy killer. Let's talk about everything we know, everything we expect, and whether this phone could actually be worth switching for, especially here in the US. Based on early leaks in Honor's recent design language, the Magic 8 Pro is expected to refine, not reinvent, the premium look. Premium glass plus aluminum frame, slimmer, more symmetrical curves, improved grip and weight balance, IP68 water and dust resistance. Honor has been quietly perfecting comfort, and don't be surprised if this ends up feeling better in hand than the Galaxy Ultra. The display could be one of the biggest reasons to buy the Magic 8 Pro. 6.8-inch LTPO OLED, 1 to 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, 2K plus resolution, peak brightness potentially over 5,000 nits. If Honor pushes brightness and eye comfort tech further, this could be one of the best displays ever put on a smartphone, period. Dolby Vision, HDR10+, improved PWM dimming for eye comfort. Under the hood, the Magic 8 Pro is expected to run Qualcomm's next-gen flagship chip, Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or equivalent, faster AI processing, better gaming efficiency, cooler sustained performance. For US users who care about gaming, multitasking, and long-term performance, this is where Honor could really surprise people. Cameras are where Honor has been quietly catching up, and the Magic 8 Pro could be their biggest leap yet. 50-megapixel upgraded main sensor, next-gen periscope telephoto, 200 megapixels rumored, improved ultra-wide, stronger AI photography and video. Expect cleaner low-light photos, better zoom stability, and less artificial processing compared to Samsung. High-resolution front camera, 3D face unlock likely to return. Yes, secure face unlock like Apple, but on Android. If there's one area Honor already beats Apple and Samsung, it's battery life. Around 5,600 to 6,000 milliamp-hour battery, easily 1.5 to 2 days of use, 80-watt plus wired charging, fast wireless charging. Imagine charging your phone in under 40 minutes while iPhone users are still waiting. MagicOS is expected to get a major AI upgrade with the Magic 8 Pro, smarter photo and video editing, AI battery optimization, on-device AI privacy features, better multitasking and productivity tools. Honor is clearly positioning itself as an AI-focused Android brand, and US buyers should pay attention. Now, let's be real. If you're in the US, here's what matters. Best compatibility with T-Mobile and AT&T. Verizon support likely limited. No official carrier stores, yet. Google Apps fully supported. This isn't a carrier phone, it's for enthusiasts who want something different. Hundreds cheaper than iPhone Pro Max, undercuts Galaxy Ultra, still delivers flagship hardware. If Honor keeps pricing aggressive, this could be the best value premium phone of 2025. If the leaks are accurate, the Honor Magic 8 Pro could be one of the most underrated flagship phones the US market has ever seen. It won't be for everyone, but for power users, travelers, and people tired of the same phones every year, this could be a very exciting option. Would you switch from an iPhone or Galaxy to the Honor Magic 8 Pro? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for the full review once this phone officially launches.